Yesterday was day one, this is day two, so I'm trying to finish everything today. So far what I did is I cut the front end off and I made the templates or the brackets for the strut tower. So I gotta make ones for the bottom subframe or the bottom chassis and then in front of the chassis. So we need 6 more. And this is how I did it. Let me see if you guys can focus. So I put tape on the strut tower, cut it out, and I put it on the sheet of metal, or the sheet metal down here, cut it out, and then now I have 4 identical ones. Try to clean them up and make them look nice, and then that'll be it. So let's make the other 6. Here we are. I got 4 strut tower brackets that I have 4 chassis brackets for the bottom of the 2 for the engine, and I had these 2 for the dash bar. And so I put these on here from the bash bar, and then I drilled a circle around them to let me know where they line up at. So I'm gonna drill a pilot hole, then a bigger hole, and then I'm gonna weld a nut on the back, and then I think I'm gonna tack it on the car just to try, because this is lined up. I'm pretty sure I can line everything else up a little bit easier. Right now I'm having a little difficulty doing it, so let's do that and see how it goes. Alright, there's my weld. The camera will focus. It's alright. Dang, it is not focusing. Alright guys. Alright guys, so this is how the car looks right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going with the flow, fixing little things here and there. Yeah, so trying to get everything lined up. So I think I got these 2 on the chassis. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is mock up one of these, put a dot for the bolt hole, and then I'm gonna just flip it around or drill a hole, and then flip it around, see if it lines up on this side, and then if it does, I'm gonna just put them all together and drill one big hole through all of them, and then so they could be even on both sides. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so I got the holes mocked up. Now I can drill them out. So we got the nuts welded on the back. Now I'm gonna drill a hole into the strut tower, just enough so the nuts can sit flush against the strut tower. Alright, so I grinded around the areas I'm gonna weld. So now it's in with the C-clamp. So now I'm about to tack weld it in and do the same thing to the other side. Guys, welcome back. This is day 3 for the tube. It's a lot harder than what I thought, so I did a lot of stuff off camera. So where we're at right now with it, we got it bolted in, we got the plates tack welded, and then we got the actual tube tack welded. So now what I'm gonna do now is take it off the car, weld everything, put it back on, and then show you guys how it looks. Alright, you guys, the tube is done, the front end is done, so let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. Tubed in, you got a lot of room, and now when you like get angle when you're drifting, the tires won't hit that little wheel well wall, I guess that's what it's called. A lot of room, so I made it removable so I could take it off and put the motor in, take it off, work on it, make it a lot easier to access everything around the car. Like, I can even put my hand through this way, everywhere. Like, it'll be a lot easier to do stuff on the car now, and a lot more room. It's gonna look a lot cleaner. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Not happy with the welds, but I'll grind them down and try to fix them. But yeah, that's how it looks. So that's how the car looks right now. Oh, one more thing. I didn't put the bash bar on the car because it doesn't fit with my front bumper, and I don't want to get in trouble with the law. So I'll probably use the bash bar when we go to the track. I'll take the bumper off and bolt that up, and then it'll be all good. And I apologize for making all the videos out of order. I think we did part 1 about 3 videos ago. This will be part 2, the finishing of that. And yeah, so the car's coming along pretty good right now. Like, I'm liking the way everything's coming along. We're about halfway there. I could probably could say halfway there. Yeah, so thank you for all the love and support. We just hit 70 subscribers, and we're growing pretty good. We're growing pretty fast. So I think at 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a little giveaway, show my appreciation. And yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned to the next video. Thank you.